Serving hot summer sa kanyang red mesh bodysuit si Miss Universe Philippines 2023 at Sparkle Beauty Michelle D na rumampa sa runway ng isang fashion event.
May konting mishap sa sapatos, pero syempre that's why you train and your job is to make it not obvious na may nangyayaring mali.
Sharing the runway si the master cutter leading lady Max Collins wearing a sexy white undergarment.
Nakita ko yung mga bagets, sabi ko, oh my gosh, naalala ko a decade ago, I was one of them. And now to be one of the veterans is like, wow, it's so inspiring. I was like, wow, I've came a long way.
Di rin nagpahuli sa kaseksihan in their black two-piece fits ang gumanap na isa sa mga kambaldiwa sa Encantada Chronicle Sangre na si Gazini Ganados. At ang Sparkle Beauty at pambato ng Baguio City sa Miss Universe Philippines na si Roxy Smith. From oozing sexiness to campus cuties vibe. Ganyan naman ang pinusuang look ng magkaibigang sina Never Say Die star David Licauco at The Secrets of Hotel 88 star Dustin Yu. Very boy next door din ang vibes ni Michael Sager and Winston Sok. Habang effortlessly charming naman si Sangre Adamos Kelvin Miranda. Youthful naman ang mood sa runway nang rumampa in their colorful wardrobe sina Huwag Kang Titingin stars Sofia Pablo at Allen Ansay. Nag-flaunt din ang kanilang toned bod sina Apoy sa Dugo star Derek Monasterio. Gayon din sina Royce Cabrera at TJ Marquez.